In today's world, going viral on YouTube is very easy. YouTube promotes small, faceless channels, so if you think you want to seize this opportunity and start a YouTube channel, this video is for you. While I was searching and I saw this channel has 963k subscribers, and his videos get millions of views, and he is making $50,000 per month. In today's video, I am going to show you the entire process of how you can start a faceless YouTube channel using only AI, from script writing to voiceover and more. Let's start. Step 1. Create a channel. After your channel has been created, we need to add a name, logo, and banner. To get some ideas for your channel name, go to Chat and write a prompt, "Hey, Chat, give me 20 unique motivational channel names." You can choose the one that suits your channel the best. Once you have decided on a name, it's time to create your channel logo. This is an important step for your branding. You can use Stable Diffusion for your channel picture, or you can create a logo yourself. After you have uploaded your channel picture, you need to create a banner. I suggest using Canva to create a professional-looking banner that represents your channel. Congratulations, you have completed the first step in creating your YouTube channel. Step 2, now we're going to make a video. I am making shorts on the motivational niche. I am going to ChatGPT and ask, "Hey Chat, tell me some motivational and inspiring quotes with poets' names." Now we have lots of quotes, so choose any one. I am choosing this one. Then the next step is to give the voiceover. Go to ElevenLabs where you can paste your script and your AI voice is ready. Listen.
Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life.
Step 3. Now we're going to create the video. Go to canva.com and sign up for free, then search for motivational shorts. You can search YouTube shorts according to your niche. You can see here are many free templates available. Choose any one template, then click on Customize this template. After that I am clicking on the text and paste that quote. You can choose any font you want, then I am changing this moon icon to a clock icon. You can also do animation in your text. After that edit the video and upload the audio that you download from ElevenLabs. Click on Upload, then upload the audio. After that it is time to add background music. You can see here are many different musics available, but all background music is paid. I'll tell you the free way to download amazing background musics. YouTube Audio Library is the best website where you can search for many different background music that suits your shorts. I am choosing this one, then go back to Canva and click on Upload and upload your music. Your video is ready. See?
Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life.
Then download it. If you're making a long video, you can create free thumbnails using Canva. Here are many free templates available. Now you need the title and description. Go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT for a title and description according to your niche. After that, everything is done. Go to your channel, paste your title and description, then click on Publish. Congratulations! Your channel is ready. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.